Hey there, book lovers! Today, we're going to talk about a fascinating read, Life in a French Country House, Entertaining for All Seasons, by Cordelia de Castellane. This book is a delightful and inspiring guide for anyone looking to embrace the charm and elegance of French country living. Through a blend of personal anecdotes, practical tips, and beautiful photography, de Castellane transports readers into the serene and picturesque world of a quintessential French countryside home. This book is a delightful journey through the seasons in a charming French country house. It's filled with beautiful photography, mouth-watering recipes, and practical tips for hosting guests all year round. The book is thoughtfully divided into sections that correspond with the 4 seasons, each offering tailored advice on entertaining, decorating, and making the most of the natural beauty that each time of year brings. From vibrant spring gatherings with fresh blooms to cozy winter soirées by the fireplace, de Castellane provides a wealth of ideas that cater to both seasoned hosts and those new to the art of entertaining. Cordelia de Castellane, a talented photographer and writer, takes us through the 4 seasons, showcasing her beautiful home and the wonderful events she hosts there. From spring's vibrant garden parties to winter's cozy fireside gatherings, this book is a feast for the eyes and a source of inspiration for anyone who loves to entertain. At its core, Life in a French Country House celebrates the simplicity and sophistication of French hospitality. De Castellane emphasizes the importance of seasonal ingredients, encouraging readers to incorporate fresh, local produce into their menus. Additionally, the book highlights the significance of creating inviting and comfortable spaces, where guests can relax and enjoy meaningful conversations. De Castellane's writing is warm, engaging, and infused with a genuine passion for country living. Her ability to convey complex ideas with ease makes the book accessible to a wide audience. The stunning photography complements the text beautifully, providing visual inspiration that brings each chapter to life, while the book excels in providing a comprehensive guide to entertaining. Some readers might find the focus on traditional French practices limiting if they seek more contemporary or eclectic styles. Additionally, a few chapters could benefit from deeper exploration of sustainable and eco-friendly entertaining practices. So, if you're looking for a book that's both visually stunning and packed with practical ideas, Life in a French Country House, Entertaining for All Seasons is definitely worth a read. Its blend of practical advice, seasonal inspiration, and beautiful visuals makes it a standout addition to the library of hosts and enthusiasts alike. Thank you for joining me today, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more book reviews and recommendations. Happy reading!